Hello, teacher. How you doing? How are you? My name is Marco Patricio Palagüechi Jerez, and today I'm going to talk about interpretation and their importance in decision making, especially in language assessment in the classroom. First, interpretation is the process of analyzing information in order to understand its meaning. In education, teachers interpret test scores, classroom participation, observations, and student performance to understand how the students are learning. Interpretation is very important. It helps teachers make better decisions. A score alone is not enough. Teachers need to understand what the results really mean. For example, a low grade student may show that the student needs more practice, different teaching strategies, or additional support. Uh, Interpretation is the process of making sense of information, transforming raw data into meaningful insights. In education and real life, interpretation plays a crucial role in understanding situations, analyzing the evidence, and forming conclusions that guide our actions and decisions. Now, I'm going to talk about the formative assessment. Interpretation plays a key role because teachers use evidence from students' learning to improve the teaching process. According to Black and William, formative assessment helps teachers adjust instruction based on student needs. And now I'm going to put a couple examples. The first one, if many students have problem with reading comprehension, the teacher can interpret that students need a more vocabulary, activities, and reading practice. Then the teacher can decide to use guide, reading exercise, and feedback. And another example is when a student understands spoken English but makes many mistakes in writing. In this case, the teacher may interpret the student has good listening skills but needs support in writing. As a result, the teacher can provide writing activities and correction exercise. Um, Interpretation and assessment. Interpretation and classroom assessments involves three key areas: understanding test scores to gauge a student's mastery levels, analyzing performance data to identify patterns and learning gaps, and making classroom observations. Um, Now, I'm going to talk about interpretation and decision making. Uh, Good interpretation bring many benefits that improve learning outcomes, helps teachers choose better strategies, solve classroom problems, and support student progress. And also, some of the benefits are uh, improve teaching practice, enhance problem solving, data driving instruction, student achievement growth, and effective feedbacks. Um, in conclusion, interpretation is essential in education. It enables teachers to make informed, effective decisions that directly impact the student success and the classroom's outcomes. Uh, by mastering interpretation skills, educators can better support student learning and achievement, creating a positive cycle of continuous improvement in teaching and learning. Uh, Now I'm going to name some reference of all this information. First one, I want to name Black, P. and William D. 2009, developing the theory of formative assessment. Next, educational assessment, evaluation, and accountability at 21. Also, Brooke Hart, education assessment, knowledge, and skill for teachers. And also, educational measuring issues and practice. Thank you, teacher. Have a wonderful day.